Hi guys, welcome welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here with another Luvmehair wig install. If you guys are wondering who won the giveaway, be sure to refer to my Instagram story. I either have it there or I have already contacted you via Instagram DM, and you know that you have won the Luvmehair wig giveaway. I will have more wig giveaways soon, so I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. But I absolutely adore this hair. As you guys can see, it's wet, and I normally don't like do that, but let's get it. And this is Glueless, you guys.
Stop playing with him.
jdevinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me and his bitch.
But this is what today's wig looks like. Super gorgeous. They do have a elastic headband. We're going to just put this bad boy on. I'm excited. I think I low-key like want to do a style, but I mean, I don't know. Let's go for it. Oh, this wig is actually really nice and snug on the head. I don't think I was expecting for the snuggadugness that we already have going here. I really wasn't expecting that one. She's a snugger. I'm over here trying to get these Crocs right now. They just dropped. Don't ask me. I mean, I know I don't need them, but you know. So I absolutely love Luvmehair's wigs. They're just so gorgeous. So I don't know, I just really like them. So this wig is tight enough to honestly be a glueless wig. I wasn't going for glueless today, but this wig is secure enough on my head to be glueless, okay? And the lace is like really nice. I'm just going to cut the hair. The hair itself is, the lace is cutting really well. This lace is super transparent, so it's like very melty. Doesn't require any type of nothing. It's not leaving like a white cast, because a bunch of these laces leave just an ugly white tint, and this one is not, and I absolutely love it. Not ugly, but you know, you gotta really, you know, normally a lot of these laces, they're like, you gotta tint them and stuff, and you know, sometimes people don't know how to do all of that. So this looks really good. I am going to like take my baby hairs out and kind of merge my baby hairs with some of the baby hairs that it has. Okay, let me zoom out. I'm gonna show you guys like what it looks like. So this is how the hair looks like, kind of just straight out of the package, air dried, air curled. I am going to briefly put some water in the hair so it's like sleek, you know what I mean? Because I normally don't do sleek looks, but this is what it looks like, big and curly. Yeah. Okay, I have rinsed my hair and I just dim and brushed it. Gorgeous. You guys know that I normally don't do like wet hair looks because I personally don't like it on my neck, but I love these curls. The bottom's got some beautiful ringlets to it, so I absolutely adore it. I might pop back in or do like a quick little snippet. If I do, I'll leave it here of what it looks like air dried, even though you guys just seen it air dried. That was like maybe like 2 weeks old air dried hair. Okay, love it. I did not do anything, like it's completely glueless. And if you feel insecure, or if you feel a little like, you know, you do a little bit too much at work, I would say slick your baby hairs down with some Got2b or some firming type of hold with the actual baby hairline, because then my hair is not going anywhere. Like I tell you guys all the time, I have a toddler and this wig is not going anywhere. Like it's not going anywhere. I was just rinsing it out and combing it with the dimming brush. It didn't slip, it didn't move, it didn't do anything. This is gorgeous. I love it. I really enjoy the lace. Like the lace was so melty, so transparent, that like it is definitely HD lace. Because you know, can you guys see the ragged edges? Whenever you cut lace with like a any type of scissors or something, and if it like stays straight, then it's not HD, but when it kind of gets rigged like that, it is HD. You guys, gorgeous. I'm here for it. I can't wait till it air dries. I wish I had like, what are those things called, like a diffuser, because then I could speed up the drying process. Gorgeous. This is going to be a great throw on and go wig for anyone looking. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I don't know if there's going to be any tangling yet, but a lot of you guys ask, how do I manage to keep up my wigs? Because some of you guys' wigs don't last, and the least you do, like, do minimal This is not growing out of your scalp, so don't act like it is. Wigs are very fragile. They're durable enough, but they're fragile. So don't be trying to press it every day. You know what I mean? Like don't do the most. Just easy peasy. That's why I like to show you guys glueless wigs, kind of like throw on and go wigs, because they're going to last you the longest. All of these wigs that I have done, I still throw on every single day, and the majority of them are not glued down when you guys see them on my Instagram account, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like jdevincicollabs.